The dirty part of the US thing is that, about 100 years ago, actually a little bit more than 100 years ago, we had Rockefeller figured out that oil was a monopoly he could get. And he fought really hard to maintain that monopoly. And then he realized that you can build chemicals out of oil. So most of the big chemical companies like Dow Chemical trace their roots back to Rockefeller, who is the world's best and strongest monopolist. And his processes are still running today. So the big chemical companies also started the big pharma companies because you need oil to make chemicals, you need chemicals to make pharmaceuticals.
Yep.
And then he funded the campaign, he funded the AMA, he funded the campaign to destroy electrical medicine and to destroy natural medicines. Anything plant-based couldn't be made out of oil, therefore it was a competitor and it had to be crushed, and used all the worst, dirtiest tactics you could do.
Oh, the fucking medical industry is based on a complete lie. John D. Rockefeller bought all the major universities, all the major media companies early with all of his money and basically created his own curriculum for medicine. And the only way that you could get grants is by using their curriculum for medicine. And their curriculum for medicine was based on what? Pharmacology. And what was pharmacology rooted in? The extraction of substances from oil. But then they started to realize, holy shit, these medicines that we're extracting from oil are actually creating cancer. And they use all of their power, they use all of their media influence to debunk all forms of natural therapy. And any doctor that dared speak up against them, do you know what happened to them? They were completely discredited and their lives were destroyed, and some of them were assassinated and killed.